Hey guys, we're back here on our Project Ranger, and as promised, new headlights are going to be going in. Right there. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, we just got started here. A couple things had to happen in order to get the headlight out. I didn't bore you with the details because I already showed you how to get the grill out. We've already showed you how to take the side light out. But now, down in here, we got a few clips. So, we got one right here. These just pull straight up, no special tools required. And then there's going to be two, let's turn around here, two on this side, one right there and one right below. That's the only thing that holds that headlight in, and then it'll pop right out. All right, I'm just using just a little pick tool, just to give me a little bit more leverage on it so I don't hurt my little fingers here. So it's the pick tool just right off the top, pull straight up. And that right there, that little fork looking thing that's out of focus, that's what's holding the headlight. There's three of those. One on this side, got two on this other side. Pull straight up. Go. Fell all the way through. And three. Okay, so we've got all those tabs out. Now, just a little bit of wiggle, a little bit of force. There, it comes right out. Unplug our lighting. There is our old light. Now, on these, there's a couple things we've got to do. There's one piece we have to save. Just one. This guy right here. Pull that off. That's going to stay with the new light. Set that aside. Get the new light. We got the new light. It's an Eagle Eyes brand. We're going to put this back on. Just kind of fits right over this rubber tab here on the bottom. And there's a little rubber tab right here. Just fits right over that. Just like that. Now, we're going to have our adjusters here and here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sit down, I'm going to take the old light. See the adjusters on it there and there. I'm just going to match them up like that. So you can see the old light, it's way in, the new light, it's way out. We're going to adjust that one. This one already came off the old light, so it's fine. They've got this other itty bitty one over here that looks pretty good. So the only one we need to do is just this big one. It just takes a little bit of first, then it just screws in. So I'll get that all adjusted here. I'll be right back with you. And with that, guys, this light is fully adjusted. Just want to sure a couple things. This one, this bottom tab here, it has three prongs on it. We just want to make sure that it's flat on the outside, otherwise it will not fit back into the hole. It's out this side, it's going to hit right there where it's supposed to go. So what we're going to do is I'm going to peel the plastic protection film off. We're going to stick it back in. So now this bottom piece has a channel that it slides into, and then these two top pieces grab on to the plastic, because this whole front piece is plastic. It just grabs onto there and then slides in the bottom. I want to make sure we plug our light back in. Nice thing about it is these replacements come with new headlights. So my bottom's in the channel. The side's lined up. Go in. in so we can bring up the channel. There we go. Let's see here. That top one is giving me some. There we go. It is in. You see, double check back here to make sure it's pushed all the way in, which it is. I'll show you here on the old light. There we go. So we got the adjuster screws. There is a little lip right in there. Once it goes through, our retainer pin clip just slides right on that. Locks the whole assembly in place. So we got those in. The slider clips back down. There's one. We'll get to the bottom one first. It's going. As our little firm. There we go. Two. It doesn't really make any noise. It's just kind of a positive engagement that you can feel on it as it slides down. And this one, it's the same one on this other side that fought me. Just getting a little flat of a screwdriver here to give it a little force. There. Those are all in place now. Now let's just put that side light in and we'll wrap this up. Alright guys, there's our finished product. We got the grill back in. We got the new headlights in. They look so much better than before. There are the old ones up top. The old ones up top. There are the new ones below. As you can tell, for really pennies, really refresh and improve the safety of the front end of this truck by getting those new headlights in. Alright guys, that takes care of another super easy project on our 95 Ranger. If you like what you saw, give us a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.